Hello friends, this is another unbox World Trigger and बड़ा सीन है and got a recommendation of this and ये ऐसे पैकेजिंग में आता है काफ़ी cheap है and यहाँ पे लिखा है $9.99 which will be about 1000 in India but नहीं हमें 180 रुपये मिला है like destroy the neighbor आती है कौन से है neighbors blah 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 और हीरो ठीक है पढ़ लेना World Trigger nice like very shiny design मतलब gloss उसके ऊपर gloss है and this is also looks good like see there is a very little gloss and this also looks nice, so let's start with it. Always piche, my name is Akis. Get a manga that first time readers and returning fans will enjoy. Here's World Trigger. ठीक है, the quality is good, printing quality nicely done. Some alien space tech probably, looks nice. Action frames are also nice like this. Printing मतलब ऊपर से नीचे हल्का हल्का कट रहा है बट एनी हाउ लाइक गुड बुक. लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. बाय बाय, थैंक यू.